Your Chevrolet is a major investment. You rely on it every day for work, for family, to get your kids to school, and to go on vacation. Keeping up with recommended maintenance extends the life of your vehicle, maintains its resale value, and keeps you and your family safe. Our technicians are factory trained and annually factory certified. We know your Chevy better than anyone. When you come in for service, you can expect a comfortable waiting room with coffee, TV, and free Wi-Fi. We'll perform a multi-point inspection and review the results with you so you know what your options are and what to expect. We also use parts and fluids designed for your Chevy. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.